Karavali group of colleges. You will yourself discover as the annual day events unfold the colors of our very own students who have excelled not only academically but also in cultural and sports events. As we begin our program, let's give thanks to God and offer this momentous occasion. I would like to call upon Ms. Rakshida to invoke the blessings from the Almighty. Kindly raise. Karavali group of colleges which made an impressive entry into the field of professional education in the year 1996 by introducing the first university-affiliated design course in India. Since then, it has registered trailblazing track record of success with a continuous success rate of almost all its courses and with placements for students after completion of the courses. The college today attracts students from all over India and also from foreign countries. Karavali colleges provide highly innovative, skill-oriented, university-affiliated courses which empower the new generation to get the right career break in these fields. The institution not only provides students with quality education but also groom them to face life with confidence. Excellence in education is the driving principle at Karavali colleges. No effort is spared in providing students with focused academic environment which nurtures complete development of personality. College has registered continuous superlative performance by successively bagging maximum number of university ranks. Karavali group of colleges have 5 independent campuses at Katara Chowki, Vamanjur, Nirmarga and Bangalore with more than 40 courses. I would call upon Ms. Rakshida to welcome the dignitaries.
Good evening, one and all. It's my proud privilege to stand before an auspicious gathering to welcome you all on behalf of Karavali Group of Colleges on this occasion. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, on this memorable moment. Now I request Ms. Swarupa Acharya to garland our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, as a token of our love and respect. We welcome you, sir. I would also like to welcome our dignitary Srimati Lata G. Rao, Ma'am, Director, Karavali Group of Colleges, Mangalore. Ma'am has always been a support to this Karavalian family with her ever-smiling face and has motivated us in every way for activities, sharing her endless blessings on us. Now I request Ms. Rakshita S. to hand over our bouquet as a token of love and respect. We welcome you, ma'am. I would like to gracefully welcome all the principals of Karavali Group of Colleges present here for the celebration. I welcome the teaching fraternity and non-teaching staff and the one directly and indirectly concerned. I welcome the press and media who have come here to witness the celebration. A warm welcome to all the students of Karavali Group of Colleges. Welcome you all.
As we proceed, we have come to the most important aspect of the inaugural function. It is with great honor I would like to call upon our Honorable Chairman Sir, Sri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, Founder, GR Medical College and Karavali Group of Colleges, and Srimati Lata G. Rao Madam, the Director of Karavali Group of Colleges, to inaugurate along with all the dignitaries to mark the beginning of today's function by lighting the lamp. Society, enterprising, spirited and ever-smiling personality of Sri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, Founder Chairman, Karavali Group of Colleges, is a classic example of hope, determination and achievement. His struggles and achievements have been richly rewarded and recognized and has earned a fair share of them. Sir's able, efficient and dynamic leadership has won widespread appreciation and is a recipient of several national and international awards given in recognition of his extraordinary service in the field of education, especially in untapped professional areas. Now I request our Honorable Chairman, Sri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, to kindly address the young minds.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, especially Director of the group, Madam Lata G. Rao, all the dynamic, professional, committed principals, members of various faculty, media friends, and last but not the least, but the most important, you, my dear student friends. At the outset, heartily congratulations for not only conducting this award ceremony, but also participating actively throughout the year in various activities. Students, education alone will not make much changes. I've been telling from many years, not only telling but experiencing, practicing. Education with common sense, education with the discipline, education with involvement can get tremendous results in your personal and social life. Any college will get a degree. Any college will get a post-graduation degree. What makes difference is whether you have only bookish knowledge or the professional subject knowledge coupled with common sense. What is common sense? Why this award ceremony? Why Kaizen? Why sports day? Why so much of pressure everywhere? pleasure, enjoyment, involvement, commitment, continuity. Because that is life. Life is never stagnant. Life is never fixed like your fast food. It is flexible. There will be a lot of ups and downs in everybody's life. We always hope, pray, expect that always we should have ups. But there will be downs. There will be accidents. There will be tragedies. To equip and face such events, we need to have the confidence and we need to have the sweet memories. That confidence comes with extracurricular activities, whether it is sports, whether it is any other competition, whether it is drawing, dancing, singing, eating. Everywhere, fun-filled attitude is important. What's happening, if you ask your parents, they will say youngsters are not good. If you have grandfather or grandchildren, if you ask them, they will tell their children were not good. Actually, nobody is bad. It is the changes, it is the generation gap which makes or which develops that feeling. Who will be successful? Who can bridge between the gaps, generation gaps? Maybe modern thinking, technology, speed, various influences. But when you forget the value system which your parents and grandparents believed, there will be imbalance. That is the reason a lot of divorces, suicides, going back, criminal activities, drugs, antisocial elements, caste, creed, politics enters there. Once you are happy, underline this, once you are happy, no power of the world can change you. You will be a great human being. And that is my expectation. Whatever degree you carry, whether it is MBA, engineering, Ayurveda, designing, pharmacy, hotel management, that will not make much difference. Every professional area has demand. There may be starting trouble, but after a particular time, you will not only enjoy, you will also earn not only the income, also good name and fame. But how to enjoy it? To enjoy that, you need to have faith in the value system which you have learned in the college without any extreme thinking, without any negative thinking, without any, showing the back, we say. We have to face the life with a smile. We have to face the life with the, we should always look forward. There is a reason, my dear students, award ceremony is conducted, and throughout the year, whatever activities were conducted today, you are going to get the prizes. But prize is only not important. The satisfaction of getting the prize, the volume of involvement what you have to get that prize, and the sweet memory what you carry forward. Sometimes I notice students just throw it, don't throw it. You will know the value of this prize only after 10, 15, 20 years. When you get married, when you really try to balance between professional and personal life. Boys also, don't worry. Don't think what I am addressing is only for girls. For boys, it is more important. You will be more responsible and most probably have to take more pain and responsibility in the life. When you look back, whenever you are discouraged, the college days and the what memories you are carrying forward definitely will help you. With this, my dear friends, everywhere there are changes in the national, in the international era, technology, understanding, everything is changing fast. Because of this speed, there's a lot of confusion in the minds of youngsters, especially students. Only medicine for this: have little patience, be steady. Definitely changes are required, but don't jump to the conclusion. Whether it is internet, whether it is your employment, whether it's a political thing, whether it's a religion thing, or whatever, including your personal life. Don't jump to conclusion. This girl is very beautiful, okay, I want to marry her. It's not possible within a day. This boy is very handsome, I'll go behind him. No, it's not possible. Think. Life is very precious, very beautiful, and God has blessed you, and you get birth or you got birth to enjoy your life. God asks one question, or a known person, you call it a Swamiji, God, or whatever it is. Who are you? You will not understand. Who are you? I am so and so. What is yours here? I will say, Karavali College is mine. Zizan will say, Karavali College hamara hai. Raghu will say, Karavali Institute of Technology is mine. Ravi will say, Karavali Pharmacy College is mine. Nothing is yours. Nothing is yours. Because you are not permanent. You are here only for 100 years, 90 years, 100 years. That will continue. Institution will continue. Then you will say, my wife, my husband, my father, my children. That is also not permanent. Asset, car, bungalow, bank deposits, it is also not. You are not carrying anything when you are leaving this earth. What is yours is today, aaj, abhi, isi waqt. This is yours. This time, today is yours. Tomorrow you don't know. You may survive for 100 years or you may collapse before that. So unless otherwise you enjoy the today, your life is not valuable. You enjoy today. One group is trying to I'll support you, don't worry. You enjoy today, tomorrow also you'll enjoy. Today you are unhappy, tomorrow also you'll be unhappy. So my dear friends, always be happy. This is a repetition, I believe. Every inch of life, every minute of hour, or every second of your life should be enjoyable. Only then you will be a worth human being. Otherwise, you have so many headaches today. Tomorrow, employment, you have headaches. Afterwards, your life, partner and family, you have headache. Social life, you have headache. When you will be happy? From KG class till now, examination, reading, fees payment, discipline, running, project. Who is a smart person? Within the available resources. Exam time also you can enjoy. Hostel also you can enjoy. College also you can enjoy. Of course, I am happy. Karavali students, they know how to enjoy. Now also some students are trying to tease me. I congratulate you. No problem. Go ahead. Be happy. Don't worry much about others. Don't worry much about tomorrow. So my dear friends, entire year is coming almost. We are very close to examination. Concentrate on the examination. Before that, remove that fear of examination. Remove the fear of life. Job milenga, nahi milenga. How to pay the bank loan. Whether I will be placed well. Nothing to worry. All. You show me one unemployed engineer. You show me one pharmacy unemployed person. You show me one Ayurveda or anyone, including interior design. I should not officially quote. Fact of the case. Most of the time, even one subject, two subject back students are also getting employment. What I mean to say, employment is not a problem. How you will go forward, how you will sustain, how you will develop, finally how you will deliver is the question. I know today you are all waiting for fun, dance, singing to receive various prizes. Get ready for that. Support your friends and give some example. I don't want to give it. Say if you are dull, you will get a dull boy only. This is yours. Thank you. Maybe a little bit if they give something to eat, that also you eat. End of the day, purpose of the function is to enjoy. To be more confident. To be prepared mentally to face the reality of the life. That is tomorrow. Good, bad, best, worst. Everywhere you should smile. That is life. Plus, you have to overcome everything and come out with flying colors. With these few words, once again let me thank all the students, all the teachers, all the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance. I would like to request our Honorable Chairman, sir, to kindly hand over the prizes and awards to call upon Ms. Crystal to brief the list of students achieved course-wise.
Stating the achievers, not only motivates them to set new benchmarks, but also motivates all their friends to aim for similar heights. Without any further delay, I invite our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, and the Director of Karavali Group of Colleges, Srimati Lata G. Rao Ma'am, to grace the award ceremony. The award is given to those students with outstanding academic achievement. The Academic Proficiency Award for first year BSc Nursing goes to Ms. Punya. Ms. Punya, kindly come forward to the dais. For third year BSc Nursing goes to Bhagyashri Hulakund. The Proficiency Award for fourth year BSc Nursing goes to Tanvi Balo Rector. The Academic Proficiency Award for third year BSc in Fashion Design goes to Nayak Nikita Madhava. The academic topper of second year BSc Fashion Design goes to Mariamma Habia. The Proficiency Award for first year BSc Fashion Design goes to Shushma. Proficiency Award for fourth year BHM goes to Nikshita Shetty. The Proficiency Award for the fourth year BHM goes to Mr. The Proficiency Award for first year BHM goes to Mr. Jeevan. Academic Proficiency Award for first year BSc ID goes to Shinchana Vishwanath Achari. The Academic Proficiency Award for third year BSc ID goes to Sahana Nayak. The Academic Proficiency Award from College of Physiotherapy first year goes to Anil Aswath Lewis. The Proficiency Award for second year BPT goes to Shivapriya T. The Proficiency Award for third year BPT goes to Aisha Shifa. The Proficiency Award for fourth year BPT goes to Azvina. The Academic Proficiency for the first year BPharm goes to Fatima Safa. The Academic Proficiency Award for second year BPharma goes to Rifatul Anju. Okay. The Academic Proficiency Award for fourth year BPharm goes to Anushri BM. The Academic Proficiency Award for Farm D first year goes to Ms. Sanjana. The Proficiency Award in Farm D second year goes to Ms. Deeksha. Proficiency Award, third year, Farm D goes to Valentina. Academic Proficiency Award, fourth year, Farm D goes to Miss Chandini. The Proficiency Award, fifth year, Farm D goes to Miss Kirtana. The Academic Proficiency Award, Farm D, Post-Bachelor's, goes to Miss Nakwa Sadaf, first year student.
इसके बाद भी अगर तुझे चैन ना मिले, पूरी करके मैं तेरी ये मुराद पाऊंगा।
The Academic Year Award for third year BE Aeronautical Engineering goes to Swarupa S. The Proficiency Award for third year BE CSE goes to Deekshita K. The Proficiency Award for third year BE EC goes to Megha Malali RM. The Proficiency Award for third year BE Civil goes to Shweta Ramachandra Bhatt. The Proficiency Award for second year BE AE goes to Miss Impana M. The Proficiency Award for second year BE CSE goes to Mehraj Kani. The Academic Award for first year BE AE goes to Mr. Vikas. The Academic Award for first year BE CSE goes to Miss Smita Lakshman Naik. The Proficiency Award for first year BE AI and ML goes to Rakshita H. The Proficiency Award for first year BE EC goes to Miss Veenu Shri. Proficiency Award for second year MBA goes to Miss Anushri Bhosle. The Academic Proficiency Award for first year BAMS goes to Mr. Atarv Ashok Nekam. The Academic Proficiency Award for second year BAMS goes to Pratyusha Naik. The Academic Proficiency Award for third year BAMS goes to Vathari Ria Sudhir. The Proficiency Proficiency Award for 4th year BAMS goes to Miss Shrija S. Rao. The Proficiency Award for Diploma in Interior Design, Karavali College, goes to Mr. Ahmed Hudayf. The Proficiency Award for Diploma in Hotel Management goes to Mr. Mohammad Alfaz from Karavali College. First, Ms. Aisha Shifa from 3rd year BPT to kindly come forward and receive her Academic Proficiency Award. I also request Ms. Azvina from 4th year BPT to come forward and receive her Academic Proficiency Award. The prestigious award of the Best Outgoing Student is presented to those who have made remarkable performance in academics, co- and extracurricular activities and thus contributed to their department and college. I now call upon Ms. Vaishnavi Shinde from Karavali College of Nursing Science, who has earned the Best Outgoing Student Award. Let's give her a round of applause. Outgoing student from the College of Physiotherapy is Ms. Darshana Khutikar. The award for the Best Outgoing Pharmacist from B Farm goes to Mr. Nagesh P. The award for the Best Outgoing Student from Karavali Institute of Technology goes to Mr. Gagan Acharya, 4th year Aeronautical Engineering. The Best Outgoing Student Award goes to Ms. Madhumati N, 2nd year MBA. The award for the Best Outgoing Student from Karavali Ayurvedic Medical College goes to Ms. Dhruti Vinith. We will now recognize students who have received special recognition in different streams. The award for the Best Clinical Nurse goes to Ms. Nikita T.S. The award for the Best Clinical Pharmacist goes to Ms. Varsha V. Bola. The award for Best Manager from MBA goes to Mr. Daniel Anton D'Souza. I now request Ms. H.N. Swasti Hegde from 3rd year Form D to kindly come to the dais. Pharmacy is very proud to present the Best Appreciation Award to Ms. H.N. Swasti Hegde, the winner of National Level Bharatanatyam Competition. Our college aims to develop not only intellectual pursuits of students, but also their extraordinary skills in different sports. Prize goes to Naveen and Abdul, Karavali College of Ayurvedic Medical Science. Naveen and Abdul. We have Ms. Shishma from first year FD who will receive her Academic Proficiency Award. The second place, Karam Boys, Abhinand and Abhinay Chandran, Karavali College of Nursing. Kindly come forward quickly. Third prize goes to Prajwal and Ganapati from Karavali Institute of Technology. Karam Girls. First prize goes to Nagaveni and Prajna, Karavali College of Physiotherapy. The second prize goes to Hasina and Tanya, Karavali College of Pharmacy. Third prize goes to Sinchana and Anu, Karavali Institute of Technology. Chess Boys. First prize goes to Fudayat, Karavali College of Pharmacy. Second prize goes to Suraj, Karavali College of Ayurveda. Chess Girls. First prize goes to Noorbin, Karavali Institute of Technology. Second prize goes to Radhika, Karavali College of Fashion Design. Outdoor events, volleyball competition, boys. First place goes to Gagan Acharya and team, Karavali Institute of Technology. The next event is Throwball Boys. And the runner-up for Throwball Boys are, any guess? Mohammad Mujib and team, Karavali Institute of Technology. Students, kindly come forward quickly. Let's all encourage the winners. And the first place in throwball boys goes to Rashik and team, Karavali College of Pharmacy.
Come a little closer, let me taste your smile until the morning light. Ain't no going back the way you look tonight. I see it in your eyes. I just need a bit of my chest. Yeah, more than you know. Yeah, more than you know. You should know that baby you're the best. Yeah, more than you know. Yeah, more than you know.
Throwball girls, the runner-up is Karavali College of Pharmacy, Chaitra and team. And the first place in throwball girls is also backed by Karavali College of Pharmacy, Samiksha and team. Sport, cricket. The runner-up for cricket is Karavali Institute of Technology, Hemant Rao and team. And cricket goes to Karavali College of Pharmacy, Dikshit and team. And the first place in Kabaddi goes to Sushan and team, Karavali College of Pharmacy. It's time to honor and celebrate the exceptional talents that were displayed by our students on Kaizen. Grand Rangoli. First prize goes to Ria and Radhika, Karavali College. The second prize goes to Aishwarya NK and Aishwarya from Karavali Institute of Technology. Third prize, Grand Rangoli, goes to Shushma and Shushmita, Karavali College. Making competition. First prize goes to Shaila, Karavali College. Second place, poster making, nursing. Anaga, Karavali College. Hegde, Karavali College of Pharmacy. By Vishweshwara from BPT and Sudeepa from MBA. The third prize for face painting goes to Meghna, Karavali Institute of Technology. Shmita, Karavali College. Second prize in nail art goes to Joyal and Karthika, Karavali College of Nursing. Art goes to Prajna and Aishwarya, Karavali College of Physiotherapy. Best out of waste. First prize goes to Sona and Namita, Karavali Institute of Technology. Asta and Jayashri, Karavali College. Third prize, best out of waste, goes to Riya and Divya, Karavali College of Ayurveda. Mehdi Design. First prize goes to Nandita and Shreya, Karavali College of Physiotherapy. Second prize, Mehendi Design. Fatima and Najia, Karavali College of Nursing. Third prize goes to Nazreen and Deepika, Karavali Institute of Technology. First prize goes to Miss Veena, Karavali College of Nursing. Miss Sinchana, Karavali College. Western Group Dance. First place goes to Akash and team, Karavali Institute of Technology. Second prize goes to Spurti and team, Karavali College of Physiotherapy. Karavali Institute of Technology. Folk group dance. First prize goes to Aishwarya and team, Karavali College of Pharmacy. Folk group dance goes to Hitaishi and team, Karavali Institute of Technology. Third prize, folk group dance, goes to Swati and team, Karavali College. The next event is classical dance solo. The first prize is shared by Swasti and Ankita, Karavali College of Pharmacy. Second prize goes to Sadhana, Karavali College of Pharmacy. I request the students to kindly come forward quickly. Third prize, classical dance solo, goes to Gautami, Karavali College of Nursing. Shishma and team, Karavali College, bagged the first place. The second place goes to Aishwarya Shetty and team, Karavali College of Pharmacy. Goes to Simran and team, Karavali Institute of Technology.
Summer day when you were gone, I crashed my car into the bridge. I whipped, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it.
Of the various talents that were showcased on Kaizen. Karavali Institute of Technology. I request you all to kindly come forward. Events of Kaizen from Karavali Institute of Technology. The second runner-up is Karavali College of Pharmacy of Kaizen goes to Karavali College, Kottara campus. Karavali Institute of Technology to kindly come on the dais and receive the trophy. The second runner-up, Karavali College of Pharmacy.
On and off the dais and to all gathered here, I am here to propose vote of thanks. At the outset, I place on record my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, Founder and Managing Trustee of Karavali Group of Colleges, who had kindly accepted our invitation to preside over today's function. Thank you, sir, for your precious presence. Profound thanks and gratitude are due to our respected Srimati Lata Ji Rao Ma'am, Director of GR Education Trust, for her unassisted support and rendered to us.
and also for graciously agreeing to be the chief guest of today's function. Thank you, ma'am, for being present here with us today. All our principals of Karavali Group of Colleges for your enormous support in organizing this function. Thank you all for being a part of today's function. I show my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all the staff members of Karavalian family for their wholehearted support rendered to us.